There's something special about opening a package that's been made just for you. At MakerStock, we know it's not just about the materials, it's about the experience. From the moment your order is placed, our team gets to work. Every sheet, every panel, every pack is chosen with care. Our goal? To give you exactly what you need. Fast, clean, and ready to create. Whether you're a designer, an artist, a teacher, a builder, or just someone who loves the smell of freshly cut wood and the perfect edge of a new sheet of acrylic, we're here for it. Our packaging is more than protection. It's a promise that what arrives at your door is exactly what you saw online. No warps, no chips, no stress, just quality materials. Like our Baltic Birch plywood, laser ready, smooth, and consistently cut, or our vivid acrylic sheets, vibrant, flawless, and designed to shine in any project. We even stock specialty pieces, hard-to-find materials, pre-cut sizes, and unique surfaces you won't see anywhere else. Everything you need in the sizes you actually use. No messy cuts, no waste. This is what we do best. And with two warehouses, one in Pennsylvania and one in Utah, we ship fast, coast to coast, because we know your time matters and your materials should never hold you back. So unbox, explore, create. This is MakerStock. The right materials at the right size at the right time.